Hello and welcome to this 10-minute guided meditation for reducing anxiety. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes. As you settle in, take a deep, soothing breath. Deeper than any you've taken today. Inhale deeply, feeling your lungs expand. And then exhale, focusing on the sound of my voice. Let my words ground you in the present moment. Where you grant yourself the permission to make your own well-being your priority. You don't need to be anywhere else or do anything else right now. This moment is solely for you. Take another slow, deep breath in, letting the air fill your lungs, and then release it. Continue this deep breathing. Allowing each inhale to be more profound than the last. Feel the breath journey through your body. Releasing any tension or anxiety you may be holding. Soften your forehead. Unclench your jaw. Let your shoulders relax. And open your palms. Your breath is now your anchor for this meditation. If your mind wanders or you get distracted, simply acknowledge it and gently bring your focus back to your breath. Anxiety often arises when we feel a lack of control over a situation. Leading to heightened emotions. In response, we attempt to exert more control. Leading to judgments and stories about the situation that add to the stress. Right now, think of a situation that's causing you anxiety. What judgments are you holding about it? Acknowledge them and give them permission to dissolve. What stories have you been telling yourself? Acknowledge those as well and allow them to fade away. You might notice your mind resisting, trying to hold on to those judgments and stories. Recognize these thoughts and let them go too. Use your breath to anchor yourself in the present. Now look at the situation without those judgments and stories. How does it feel different? Has your anxiety lessened? Shift your perspective to one of curiosity. As we move into a moment of silence, be open to the clarity and direction that may arise about the very next step you should take. Not the whole path, just the next step. Continue breathing with your eyes closed. And when you're ready, focus back on my voice. Our judgments and stories tend to amplify our unease. And block us from seeing the truth of the situation. The next time you feel anxious, remember to breathe and acknowledge these judgments and stories. Then let them go. Focus on the present truth. You have everything you need right now. Let's take 3 more deep breaths together. Inhale deeply, holding that breath for a moment, and then exhale. Take an even deeper breath. Feeling the energy flow through your body. And exhale. One last deep breath. Sending oxygen throughout your entire body. When you're ready, open your eyes. Thank you for joining me in this meditation. You've given yourself a precious gift. Have a wonderful rest of your day.